This video I will show you how to create SEO content collector that you can definitely use and follow the strategy to write every single day your SEO blog article. Now what I can do is I simply first what I did was I asked ChatGPT to create a topical map for blogging niche called AI tools, because mostly I write on AI tools. Now you can input any keyword right here. It just goes on, creates an article. The topical map. Now, and then hit enter. Now we can also give 365 days. It will do that for you. But for example, for the video purpose, I'm doing it for 30 days. And then here we have the week 1 foundation. Now it's also suggesting me to write a pillar page, pillar topic content, and then you've got those different sub niches, and then we can go on. So it is creating every single thing. And then here what you need to do is take this keyword and go to any AI SEO tools like Arvo, click on SEO article, and then input the keyword right here, click on add keyword, and then generate an article, and then publish it directly to the WordPress, and you're done. That's it. This is easy in 2026.